If your Focus ST or RS build requires additional fueling to make more power, you've probably considered an aux fuel kit. Port injection is a tried and true method of giving your build the extra fuel it needs, and now there's a new player in the EcoBoost space. Introducing the Precision Raceworks 2023 Port Injection Kit. Paired with a split-second injector controller, this kit includes everything you'll need to feed your car the extra fuel it requires. With other costly fueling solutions on the market, this system is an affordable alternative that will pack hard-hitting results. This kit was designed to fit seamlessly in your vehicle like it left the factory with it installed. It is 100% E85 compliant thanks to the included Bosch Motorsports injectors. This kit fires all 4 injectors directly into the intake valves for even fuel distribution and ideal fuel atomization across all cylinders. On top of the performance gains, this port injection system will also keep those valves clean for the long run. With its robust construction and blue anodized finish, the Precision Raceworks Port Injection Kit looks just as great as it performs. After installation and a proper tune, you'll be off to the races. If you're interested in picking up a Precision Raceworks Port Injection Kit, I'll leave a link for that in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button. For more content just like this, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked. If you have a comment, drop it below. Thanks for watching.